So, hi, I'm Fred Blundell, and I'll be your math instructor this semester. We were originally scheduled to meet on campus, but we'll be using this temporary distance learning format, maybe for the whole semester. When I was a student, I always wished the instructor had a pause button so that I could just stop and think for a few minutes during the lecture. I guess the one advantage of this temporary distance learning format with the pre-recorded lectures is that now I come equipped with a pause button so you can stop me. Last summer, and while I was teaching in the fall semester, I put all the course materials into Canvas. It's 2 or 3 short video recordings or a narrated PowerPoint presentation for each topic, and some learning activities in the form of Canvas quizzes. So these recorded lectures and Canvas activities are supposed to substitute for the long lectures I used to do in class. And I'm trying to bring in more lectures also from other sources. So I'll record my own on each topic, but I also bring in some from Khan Academy or this guy online, JG, has some videos on YouTube. So I try to make it a little more interesting so you can see things presented by more than one person. But I do make sure that it's all on topic and consistent in what it's telling you. So you can watch the videos on your own schedule, but the assignments still have regular due dates. They expect to spend something like 6 to 9 hours per week doing the assignments and submitting them by midnight on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can do the assignments early, but you have to do them in order. So you can get ahead, but you cannot skip ahead. And two-way communication is really important. So I'll host Zoom sessions at the times that were originally scheduled for the class meetings. And occasionally these will be required. More often they'll be optional. And I'll use those more for the two-way communication aspect. You can ask me about homework questions, or I'll just make up some extra examples that are somewhat similar to the homework. So for the set lecture pieces where I've made up the example ahead of time, or I've got a list of new facts or vocabulary that I want to give you, that's done in a pre-recorded format to save the class time for the more interactive kind of activity. We'll have a threaded discussion for the class where you can post questions and comments and other students can respond. So mostly what I'm hoping is that you'll ask me questions in the Zoom sessions and use the threaded discussion for talking to each other. You can also, when you want to ask me a question privately, in the Zoom sessions there's private chat, so you can send me a text question that way, or there's an email system built into Canvas where you can send me messages. And if I find the same question is coming up frequently, I may post something about it as an announcement for the class. Let's see. So the material's in Canvas, and I'll do another video where I show you how to use Canvas, how to get started with that. But you'll find as you go, it's organized in modules, and you click on an item in a module, and it will give you some activity to do or tell you to go watch a video or whatever. And then there's a next button at the bottom, and mostly you can just navigate through the course by clicking the next button. So you just do the things in order that way. And last semester, I think nobody really had any trouble finding what they needed to do that way. So again, welcome to the course. I'll do other videos about the software systems, the online textbook that we'll be using, and all of those things. This video is really just to say hello and welcome you to the course. So I'll hope you'll to see you soon in the first Zoom session. And that's all for now. Thanks. Bye-bye.